Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a TP-Link Kasa smart switch and plug and you need to restore it to the factory default settings with a hard reset. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If the smart switch and plug will not connect to Wi-Fi, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not syncing with your devices or with your app and just not working and not responding, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step for these problems. The other reason you might want to do this is if you want to set it up in a new house or on a new Wi-Fi system and you just want to clear out all of the previous protocols and connections so that you can start fresh like if it were a new device, we can go ahead and do that with a hard reset. Now it's very easy to do. All you need to do is come in and find the power button, which is also the reset button, and you need to press it and hold it for 10 seconds at least. Now keep in mind, if you hold it for shorter than this, you might end up doing a soft reset on it. So you want to hold it for a full 10 seconds until it blinks amber or orangish or yellowish orange, and then it will be fully reset to its factory default settings.